Two Singapore Armed Forces servicemen have been charged in a military court over the death of Corporal First Class Aloysius Pang in New Zealand in January. The two had been in the Singapore Self-Propelled Howitzer, or SSPH, cabin with Pang when he got wedged between the back of the gun barrel and the interior of the cabin. Here's Ariel Lim with more.
Military expert Teo the technician who was doing repair work with Corporal Pang, faces 3 charges. 1 under the SAF Act for disobeying general orders and 2 under the Penal Code for causing death by negligent act. If found guilty of disobeying orders, he faces up to 2 years jail, and the charges under the Penal Code carry with them a maximum jail term of 2 years, a fine, or both. Teo was a regular technician with years of experience working in the SSPH. The other accused, 3rd Sergeant Hubert Wah, was on reservist training. The gun detachment commander faces 2 charges, 1 for causing death by negligent act and another for causing death by rash act. For causing death by rash act, he faces up to 5 years jail, a fine, or both. A committee of inquiry that looked into Pang's death had earlier found that the incident was due to lapses by Wah, Teo and the deceased. For instance, the 3 didn't follow the requirement that everyone must be in safe positions when the gun barrel was moved. Both Teo and Wah also didn't press the emergency stop buttons, which were within reach. Pang sustained fatal injuries in the incident. Teo and Wah appeared solemn in court. They managed to evade the media, leaving in at least 1 car about an hour after the session ended. The 2 accused persons have asked for their cases to be adjourned so they can get lawyers on a pro bono basis. The next court date is in 4 weeks and both are now out on bail.